Often, the manufacturing process starts with a part being casted from a mold or machined from a stock piece of material, but it doesn't end there. Sometimes, there can be dozens of steps to go from raw materials to completed products, and the final part of that process is called finishing. This alters the faces of parts in order to achieve an aesthetic or mechanical purpose. Plastics could be shiny, matte, or textured. Metals can be brushed, polished, painted, or even plated with another metal. The list goes on and on. Take this drum pedal for instance. The original piece of the footboard may be cast iron, but what if a finishing needs to be added? Maybe it needs to be painted to bring out the details, brushed to achieve a certain look, or maybe both appearances need to be applied. This is all possible in SOLIDWORKS Sell with the application of faces when different materials are added. This footboard is a single piece in SOLIDWORKS, and thus the entire part changes material when prompted in SOLIDWORKS Sell. One way to pick up the detail without having to change the part file is to assign different materials to the faces of the details. Here is an example. I'll start by going into the materials library native to SOLIDWORKS. From here, I need to find a suitable material for the details. I'll pick a solid red color and drag it to the DS logo. In order to be sure I got every part of the detail, I'm going to apply the appearance to the entire cut. You can achieve the same look by applying the material to the face of an object as well. For the rest of the details, I will make them a solid white color. Now, I can go to the SOLIDWORKS Sell tab and begin to publish my assembly and create a new template. One important thing to remember is to open the Options tab and select Group by Material. This tells the program to take all of the parts in the assembly and group them by the materials already assigned in SOLIDWORKS. Now, all I need to do is select every piece in the assembly and click Publish. There is no need to create more than one group because the software takes care of it for us. Here is the drum pedal I published. In the Groups tab, you can see that different groups have been named with the materials they were assigned in SOLIDWORKS. You can change the screen name of these groups by going into the group options and changing the description. Notice how, because we applied different materials to the details earlier, that they are now separate entities from the footboard. Therefore, materials and different properties can be applied without changing the properties of the entire board. This demonstrates that by utilizing faces, different finishes can be applied to a part made of a single material. As a result, it adds more layers of customization and allows end users to further personalize their own products.